What up, people? Thanks for coming back to the channel. I'm Rob, and this is Straight Bearded. So you know I've taken a hiatus from reviews. I've not been doing very many, and it's on purpose. Didn't plan on coming back until I ran across this product. Absolutely have to let you guys know what I should have known a long time ago when I picked this product up and apparently just didn't give it enough time. Well, I definitely need to let you guys know. So we're not doing anything special with the background. Just thought I'd give you something for my ADHD friends there for something to look at, and because it's been kind of chilly outside. Why not? And don't forget the fart zone. So the company we're talking about is Crusher's Creations. So what I've been doing with my reviews were meant to help you find products to spend your money on, but they were also meant to help me find the best product. And I think my reviews pretty much stopped once I realized that I had found the best product, in my opinion, for my beard. Crusher's Creations has never ever let me down, from his balms, to his butters, to the quality of his oil, but predominantly for me, what really grabbed me up front was the scents. The scents brought me in, and then made me realize just how good of quality he's got as far as what his products are doing for my beard. So anyhow, back to why I'm here. So I grabbed this product from Crusher months ago, few months ago, and I used it once or twice, and I don't know if I think I just was flooded with product at the time and just did not give this product its due. But I want to talk to you about Sacred from Crusher's Creations. Sacred. And let me read this to you. So Sacred is Crusher's oud scent. And in my opinion, probably one of the best that I've ever smelled. So Sacred is a mixture of lavender and oud with undertones of amber, jasmine, and a smooth, woody scent. Sounds so simple, doesn't it? Just sounds so simple and easy. There is nothing simple about this. As far as the scent, to me, it's phenomenal. Absolutely love it. There's a lot of the greats in what I call my easy top fives. Virtually all come from Crusher. Save one or two, they all come from Crusher's Creations. So hence the reason I've slowed down on reviews a lot. When you find the best, you kind of just stick with it. So that's what I'm doing. But anyhow, let me go over this with you. So nothing serious, nothing major. Just from me to you guys. So Sacred just wows the heck out of me. Man, you know what? I forgot to tap that thing. Can't not tap that thing. Man, just a wonderful scent. So personally, I love lavender. I've got a couple other lavender scents. I'm drawn to lavender. Love that scent. But he mixed it with oud and amber and some woody scents, and that's what you get. It's just a great, solid scent all to itself. To me, it's really different from any other oud scent that's out there. I absolutely love it. I've already reviewed this company, so I won't get into too much detail, but that oil is just as clean as it gets. Now, also his balm, Crusher's balm. I've got his balm here. Now, Crusher's one of those guys, if you know me, you know I've spoke on this. One of those guys that's just never good enough with leaving his product the way it should be, or the way he left it. He's not just going to sit there and just not do something extra to it or try to make it better or make improvements. Well, he's constantly improving his balm. And I believe that he has finally landed on the perfect balm. Now, his balm in Sacred, gosh, I love that scent. Love that scent. Is a stiffer hold. It's a stiffer holding balm. He started out with a lighter side of medium, maybe into a light, but maybe a lighter side of medium. But this one's got that little secret. If you want some good hold, he's got a good lighter side of stiff hold, lighter side of heavy hold. It's got some really, really good hold to it. I love it. And it, combined with the oil, this particular scent lasts easily, I'll say 8 hours a day, absolute minimum. Wind catches you just right near the end of the day, you still get a brand new whiff of that stuff, and it's just phenomenal. But the star of the show, and we got more, so stick around. Please stick around. the star of the show is one that I did not have until today. His butter. And he's doing a utility butter now. He's labeled this as a utility butter. Brian from Crusher's Creations is always making improvements on his butters. And he's landed yet again on the perfect thing. Every change he makes is an improvement. But I absolutely love his butter for hydration, for just a good soft feeling in the morning. It's wonderful. Now this one, like I said, I previously had the oil and balm, and I didn't have the butter. I have tons of Crusher's butter, so I know exactly what they're doing. But this one, to me, is brand new. Let's get you in here. Can we focus? Let's see if we can focus on that. Maybe not. But that butter, any other video you could see, is just divine. Just divine. It's wonderful. Wonderful for hydration. And that scent, man, Sacred, that oud is just, I love it. I love it. I can't believe that it was sitting on my shelf for a couple months without me really giving it any attention. And I had a gold mine sitting in there and I didn't even know it. And I kind of feel foolish. So I know I'm super late to the game, even though I've had it since virtually not its inception, but I've had it for a while. And I'm sleeping on it. But here's where we come up to something different. So I know Brian really well. In dealing with him and buying his products and checking him out and just being wowed, we've become friends. He actually lives very close to me. So I have the opportunity, being a lucky guy, to be able to go to his house and smell the things he's got working on, just go hang out, drink a beer, chat, whatever. I'm extremely lucky and fortunate to have found a friend like him. But to top that off with the guy that makes the best of the best to me, I mean, that's pretty special to me. But he's got something different going on, and he's been working on this for a long time trying to get it right. So I showed you this butter, right? Let's see. Give you a peek of that again. I showed you that butter, his conventional butter. It's great stuff in my eyes, and a lot of other folks think it's probably the best butter out there. But I have another butter. This butter's a little different. It is Crusher's no longer an attempt at a whip. He's nailed a whip in my eyes. So let me get you in here close. So look at that ooey gooey goodness. Watch how this moves, would you? God almighty. Just a little bit's all you need. All right. Gone. And it's so light. I've already got some in, but you can't help but have just a little bit more. So we're not sure if Brian's going to actually release a whip butter. He's had several different versions of it where he's tried something new and tried to make it where he wants it. But I'm hoping that he lands on this. But if he does, if he gets done playing and he wants to get serious with it and give this out to the public, would you be interested in a Crusher's butter, a whipped butter? I am. I love it. I've got a whip, one of his first attempts in Fall Fantasy. That's really good. It's very good to me. But of course, Brian's never happy with anything, so he tried again. And he tried again on Sacred. And I got my hands on that today, actually yesterday. And it is great. Really, really good. So if he were to put out a whipped butter, would you be interested? I know I am. But anyhow, we've got one more little thing that's going on here. So Brian and I have also been working on something a little bit different in the form of a collaboration. We've been talking for a while, and I've been throwing ideas his way, and he actually made one, and it is phenomenal to me. Maybe I'm biased, but I can't wait for this to release. This new one is going to be releasing on the 25th of October. It's called 777. A lot more details to come about this one. If you follow me on IG, you can go ahead and get the scent profile from there. But that one's getting dropped pretty soon. Wanted to give a little plug on that. You won't see me do very many reviews going forward unless it's something super phenomenal or something that's bad and we need to be warned of. But I definitely wanted to bring you this, as I had missed this, and I need to make sure that I got the word out to you guys. Anyhow, that's all I've got for y'all. I appreciate you hanging around this long, hanging around the fire. In the meantime, I hope to work on some of that cord management. It's terrible. Anyhow, we ain't doing nothing special, but Y'all boys take care of your beards and have a great one.